Welcome to Friday at Fran's, again with our holiday gift ideas. This one is so fast that I got carried away. I've already made 3 of them. So inside, what this is it can be a credit card holder. You can carry a little bit of cash with you. It fits in your pocket without adding any weight. So just your essentials, credit card, driver's license, go in there. Okay, so this is made out of cork, and that's one reason why it's so fast, because we don't have to finish any edges. So I've got a 5 by 4 inch piece and 2 4-inch by 2-inch pieces. So I'm just gonna, on the wrong side of the cork, so I've got wrong sides together, I just have my 2-inch pieces on each end. And I'm gonna clip those and sew those. And I'm going to sew this just close to the edge, about 1/8 of an inch away. Let's try to be neat here today and get my threads out of the way. Let me put my needle down so I can turn the corner. So I'm just going to sew this all the way around. While I'm sewing this, Micah can show you that this is a regular plain cork that I'm using here. We have cork in all kinds of colors. Some of them are in front of the machine here. So I'm already done with 3 sides. So I'm not pulling apart where I stopped and started that, so I just overlapped it a little bit. I don't even have to do a backup stitch. Okay, and cut my threads. Now, I did something just to help identify the fold of this. So I'm taking my ruler. This is 2.5 inches. This is 5 inches. So if I put it on the edge, and these are my special rulers. We've got them for sale here in the shop. Great for little projects like this. Okay, and this is a heat away pen, so it's gonna go away. So just down the middle I'm gonna use, and this time I'm gonna use what's called a triple stitch. And if you kind of watch the way this feeds in the machine here, see how it's going forward and backwards? Can't make up its mind if it's going to go forward or backwards. So it takes 1 step forward, 1 step back, and then 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So this is called, if you're looking for it on your machine, some of them call it a reinforced straight stitch. So it's great for mending knits, mending any stretchy area. So, and that is going to complete my project. Now, if you notice, mine have a little bit of embellishment there. So one way you can do it is with heat transfer vinyl. So I've got a piece ready to go here on my scan and cut. I already brought up the design because I knew you wouldn't be able to see it on here. So I'm just going to have it cut out. So this scan and cut, I don't have to pre-check how deep it's going to cut. It's automatic depth cutter on it. So it's just going to quickly cut out this letter. Now, if you're looking for heat transfer vinyl, we have that too. We got cork, we got the heat transfer vinyl, and the hardest thing is getting this started to peel off what I don't want. Here we go. We've got heat transfer vinyl in over 65 colors. Some of it is glitzy, some of it is more plain like this. But so all I have to do is tear away what I don't want. put it on here where I want it. And I'm gonna take it over to my iron. Now, if you notice, one of mine also, while this sits on here for about 15 seconds, I also did an embroidery. So if you've got an embroidery machine and want to embroider somebody's name or initial or on it, you can do that before you sew it together. Okay, so this is almost done. Not enough time. I'm in a rush here. Okay, so we also have, so you can see the cork has been used in some other projects here. Now, want a really fast gift idea? Our teacher, Wanda, is got too many purses right now. She makes 2 or 3 for every class she teaches. So she is brought some of them in here to sell. And if you consider the time that it takes to go into these, as well as the materials, these are a steal. So of course they're all different priced depending on what they are. We even have a, I thought this was a casserole carrier, but it's not. It's a carrier for your blocks, take into class, put all your tools in there. So great project holder. Let's see if this is ready now. I don't want to rush it. Got to cool it off. Okay, so this is our project this week, and again, it is on, now I let it on there too long. Well, there we go. Alrighty. And there you've got your initial on that one. Yeah, this one I did a little fancy design. So even intricate things can be cut out on the scan and cut. So that's the project for today. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next week.